PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2016 hard PSLE math question? And the question goes, a square is made up of four triangles, PQR and S. The area of P is 1/9 of the area of the square, while the area of Q is 1/6 of the square. So what fraction of the square is S? So in this case over here, from the question, we know that the area of P is 1/9 of the area of the square. So in essence, it's just like this. Now, the thing is, I'm going to share with you, area Q plus R is actually half a square. And you might be wondering, like, why? So the thing is that if you were to rotate it, right, you can see that it is a triangle highlighted in red. Then the thing is that if you were to say that the length and breadth of this, or I will say square, is 10 centimeters, then the square area would then be equal to 100 centimeters square. Pretty straightforward. Then what about the triangle area? Then if you were to just put in the numbers, half times base times height, it's actually 50 centimeters square. Then in conclusion, we can say that the triangle area, in this case over here, is half the square area. And the thing is that no matter how the triangle looks like in this square, it's always going to be half of the square area. So therefore, the triangle area is always half the square area, but if only the base is the same as the length as the square side, as what you see over here. So if we were to go back to the question, RQ or QR over here combined together is a triangle with the base the same as the height or length of the square. So since we know that QR is half of the square, that means PS is equal to also half of the square, or 1 minus half is just half. That means area S will be half minus 1/9, and that will be equal to 7 out of 18. And that's how you solve this hard PSLE math question.